Hello guys, do you ever think it is possible to run your own models on your machine and not paying any cloud providers? So in this video we'll see how we can do that. So the tool that we're going to talk about is LM Studio. Okay, this is where we see the lmstudio.ai, and this is completely private and is going to download the models in your local and then you can work through it. Either it's a chat interface that you're working on, or if you want to pair it with some cloud code or OpenClaw, anything as such. So right now we'll just click download. Okay, since I already got this, I'm going to double click that. Okay, let's agree upon that. Just for me, that is fine. Install. While it is getting downloaded, let's just scroll down and see what else we can get it from here. So this is basically how it will look. Some interface, or you can directly download with the PowerShell script that is present here, so that you can run it on servers without any GUI. I mean, you can do the same in the Windows machine as well. But yeah, basically this is it. And if you go into models similar to Ollama, you can see that all the models that is present here, we have a category that you can filter out based on the tool use, thinking models, basically reasoning, and then vision models. Okay, by this time I think it will be installed. Yeah, just let's click the finish button to open the Llama Studio. Local AI on your computer. Let's get started. Okay, so you want to download, so officially it's out of the box, giving the Gemma 4 E4B model, 7.9 billion parameter model is this. We can download it or we can skip it. Right now I'm going to skip this for now. Turn on developer mode, better. Start local Llama on the login, so that means it's going to start the LM Studio right after you log into the system. Just click on continue. Introduction to LM link. Connect to remote instances of LM Studio. Load models on your other machines and use them locally end-to-end encrypted. So basically you are just installing the LM Studio on other machine, okay, and then running that model there. But once you run that and both of them are connected, you just interact with that model like it was running on your local. Seems like there is an update already happened. Let's just dismiss that. Click close. Let's expand this one and let's explore a little bit. Okay, this is the chart and this is the developer space, and you see all the documentation that you can go through. I mean, just click it. The supported endpoints, inference, chart completion response messages. This is the Anthropic version and this is the OpenAPI version. So if we go down, all these are you can just go through once you are installing. For now we are more interested in right now this status server settings. Okay, this is the default port 1234 for the LM Studio. All this you can be configurable. So you have LM Studio API, OpenAPI compatible, and then Anthropic API compatible. That's simple. So if you go a little further more, my models, right now we haven't downloaded any because we skipped the initial step to download the Llama 4 variant, and these are the text embeddings. These are different kind of models. So this is where we can search for defective models that are available published into the Hugging Face as well. Directly we can download. Let's most downloaded ones 3.59B and then E4B. Okay, let's just try with the Llama 4. Okay, it's a 6 GB, 6.3 GB. It's a Q4K, that means 4-bit quantized. It's an instruction tune model, supports image inputs, reasoning, and tool calling. So the model has been downloaded. Let's load that. Go in here and select the model that you want. Right now just I'm going to leave the load parameters off, then load this. By default it will load the model on with the default parameters. So for that, okay, let me just select this model since we already loaded. And if you go into the task manager and then performance, and if I select the GPU, I can see that it is at 5.8 GB of VRAM out of 16 GB. It is very important to understand the consumptions and resource utilization of your PC. So let's just type hi there, what can you do? since it's a thinking model, it's just doing some thinking and then responding back. So right now we are at 82 tokens per second, and it generated around 866 tokens for this prompt. We are more interested in this one. So let's just load the model again. This time we use load parameters. Just click on it, and then if we see at the moment it is consuming like 6.41, but let's just increase this out to the max and offload GPU. This means every single layer of the model has been offloaded to GPU, the model completely living on the GPU. That's a key important factor. Let's load the model. Now if we go back again, we can see that we are now consuming around 7.7. So that means we got the full context length for this model that it supports. The context length that increases, the VRAM utilization will increases respectively. So let's just try again. Can you process images and extract information from them? Okay, it says it can do. Let's just do one thing. I'm gonna take a screenshot like that. I'm gonna copy this. Let's go in here, type paste. Let's ask, what did you see in the image? Okay, model title, model catalog, subtitle description, new and new worthy local models you can run. So let's get back. New and noteworthy local models you can run on your local. That's exactly what it is. You have the model that is running on your local entirely at a speed of 80 tokens per second. But this tokens per second will depend upon your hardware capabilities. So that's it. Thanks for watching. On the upcoming videos, we'll see the comparisons of the LM Studio as well as Ollama and as well as Onslaught to train and fine tune our models. Thanks for watching.